Welcome to Maths with Paru. In this question, I will be discussing question 4 from P2 January 2022. And it's a question on using the laws of logarithm. Let's begin. So here they say, using the laws of logarithm, solve log to the base 3 of 32 minus 12x equals 2 times log to the base 3 of 1 minus x plus 3. The first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to use the power law. Let me just remind you what the power law is. If we have log of, say, x to the power k, we may write it as k log x. So here I already have I have 2 times log to the base 3 of 1 minus x. So I can rewrite that as, taking the 2 up, I end up with log to the base 3 of 1 minus x, the whole thing squared. Now what I do is I use the subtraction law. So log of a minus log of b is equal to log of a over b. So when I use that here, I will get log of 32 minus 12x over 1 minus x, the whole thing squared, right? Now what I do is I'm going to use the basic first principle that we learned about how we can convert logarithms to indices. So supposing I have log of x to the base, say a, and that's equal to n, I may rewrite it as x is equal to a to the power n. And that's exactly what I do here to convert this logarithm into an index form like this. So here I have 32 minus 12x over 1 minus x squared is equal to, I simply take the 3 up and make it 3 cubed. Now what I do is I leave the 32 minus 12x on the left-hand side, and I'm going to take the 1 minus x squared to the right-hand side, and that's going to give me 1 minus 2x plus x squared. And then I know that 3 cubed is the same as 27. So now what I do is I expand everything and I put it to the right-hand side. I haven't done the next step, so let me just write the next step for you. So I have 32 minus 12x is equal to 27 minus 54x plus 27 x squared. Now supposing I bring everything to the right hand side, I will end up with this, which is 27x squared. The minus 54x plus 12x will give you a minus 42x, and then I take the 32 to the right hand side and make it a minus 5. Then I go ahead and I factorize. When I factorize this, I end up with 3x minus 5 and 9x plus 1. So my values for x are going to be x equals 5 over 3 or x equals minus 1 over 9. Now remember that we cannot take the logarithm of a negative number. So when we're taking the logarithm of anything, 32 minus 12x or 1 minus x, it should be positive. So here I say if x is equal to 5 over 3, then 1 minus x is going to be negative, which is not possible. But if x is equal to minus 1 over 9, then I get 32 minus 12x is positive and 1 minus x is positive. And so the only answer that I can have in this case is going to be x equals minus 1 over 9. I hope you understood my explanation. If you have any doubts, please send me a message. Thank you for watching. That's all for now. Until my next video.